If you want to change icon size on Google Pixel 11, we have a couple of options that we can use. For example, we can start by going to Settings, and over here in Settings, go to Wallpaper and Style. Now here in Wallpaper and Style, we're gonna switch to the home screen preview, and then swipe up from this bottom section to open this panel here, or this menu, and go to the Layout. And here we can change the layout to change the icon size. Of course, if you use like large or XL layout, then as you can see, these icons are going to be pretty huge, and you can switch to small in order to make these app icons actually smaller. If you made any change over here, use the apply button in the upper right corner to save those changes. Besides that, the display size also has an impact on the icon size. So if you go to display and touch, and then over here choose the display size and text, then we should be able to move this slider to adjust the size of, well, of everything. So this has an impact on every element that you have on the screen, but this also includes app icons. So if you don't mind making everything bigger or smaller, then of course you can use that option. And last but not least, we can also go to Accessibility in Settings. And then here in Accessibility, we have Simple View, which, as you can see here, increases text and icon size, but also simplifies the layout and adds navigation buttons. So if you want to use that simple view to make icons bigger, you can of course easily do so. Leave a like and subscribe.